Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your identity and vehicle details. Have your Iqama or Saudi ID, plate number, and VIN at hand. Open Apsure or your insurer app. If you use Najm, sign in next. Once done, locate the Vehicle Services or Insurance section. This is where checks happen. Enter the plate and VIN exactly. Small typos create mismatches. Make sure your internet connection is stable so pages load correctly, and proceed to request the insurance status lookup. Now perform the lookup. Choose Insurance Status or Policy Lookup and input the plate and VIN. The system returns insurer name, policy number, start and expiry dates, and coverage type. Read these carefully. If multiple entries appear, check vehicle model and VIN to pick the correct policy. Save proof by screenshot or download the certificate. This helps during stops or claims. If you need clarification, note the insurer contact shown and prepare policy details before call. Finish by confirming the policy is active and covers required liability limits. Check expiry and any special endorsements. If information is missing or looks wrong, contact the insurer immediately with your plate, VIN, and ID. If the insurer does not resolve discrepancies, escalate through Najm or the Saudi Central Bank complaint channels. Document your calls and hold numbers. One troubleshooting tip: if the system shows no record but you have a policy, request a digital certificate from the insurer and retry the lookup with that reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.